So it's really 200-inch screen inside this small box? Well, let's check it out, because this is the Rayneo Air 4 Pro AR glasses. Like, let's do the open. Ah, here it is. Look at this. Let's open those. Alright. Whoa, look at this. There is a Batman inside. I wonder what that will be. Okay, let me just open it. Take it like that. There's a box inside the box. Look at this. So, Batman Rayneo. Anything else in the box? Oh yeah, I'm gonna tease you. Let's see what else is here. Can I actually take it out? Yeah, okay. So, box inside the box. We're gonna drop the big box. Look. Ooh, look. Ta-da! There's... Whoa! OMG! Like, you need to see it. Batman! That's so cool! It's like literally from a movie! Like, how cool is that? Like, honestly, that is just so nice. So this is the Rayneo, the Batman edition, which obviously you put on top of the AR glasses. We'll see what else is in the box, and then we'll go to the actual, you know, I assume this is the stand for it. Look at this stand. Well, by the way, you haven't seen those Batmans up close, so you need to see that. That is so cool. So I also see that they're putting the demo correction glasses. So if you want to, you know, set up yourself some correction glasses, they give you a demo for it. So you can probably give it to your optician, and then set it up. That's a cool one. So sound tube, Rayneo sound tube. Okay, that's cool. We'll check it out. And oh, and for the nose as well, to kind of set it up. So there is an L here, yeah, L size. Nice one, nice one, nice one. So I assume the M size is already on the glasses itself. Oh, okay. So that will be interesting. Okay, we're gonna set that in a second. And let's see what's in the big envelope. Like, I always like to see what's in the big envelope, you know? So, some user manual. Some wipes for the glasses, some quick start guides, which we might need that, and that's it. Alright, so obviously let's keep the Batman. Like, I wanna just put it right here. Quick start guide, yeah, we might need it. And obviously let's check out the actual glasses. So Rayneo glasses allows you to have a 201-inch, literally a TV, within those glasses, and has a 120 Hz refresh rate for gaming with a resolution of 1080p and 1200 nits, which is decent because obviously you don't really, you know, wear it in the sun or anything like that. But the audio here is obviously impressive as well because it's a Bang & Olufsen. So you can see it is packed in like a nice, safe cover, and obviously it has a button at the back, which I absolutely adore. So glasses right here. Alright, so these are the actual glasses. Look at this. This is cool. Boom. Alright, so let's turn them on. Let's see how they actually work. So there is a cable attached right here. Because one thing which I definitely know is that you need a cable to have it connected. So it doesn't really have like an internal memory. So let's test it out. And I'm gonna cover some spec a little bit later. So about the design, so I can see all the buttons right here. Boom, so you can see, you know, control buttons right here. And the brightness on the other side. I also see that the speakers are above and right here, and the connection USB should be somewhere here. So it is right here in one of those. And the USB-C is right here to connect it. So That should be decent. So, taking this off, as obviously I need to test them out. So you take the protection off, which gives you the glasses only. So look, now I probably will see a little bit see-through, yeah, exactly. So it's like a dark glasses. And now, I'm Batman. It's just so cool, right? So when it comes to the spec, this is the world's first HDR10 Air display with 10 billion colors, which in general have 201-inch QView 2.0 screen. It has a Vision 4000 processing with real-time AI SDR to HDR, and will actually upscale for smooth visuals in movies, games, and even TikTok, you know? The cool thing is, which I realized, that it also has the 3D option, so it turns Rome into a 3D theater, supports native 3D, and also AI the 2D to 3D conversion, rivaling the IMAX. It has that premium audio by Bang & Olufsen, which has immersive 360 sound via 4 speakers. So it's pretty enjoyable sounds with the private whispered modes. You can use that sound tube which are added to this pack. It allows you to do universal plug and play. You can connect it to phone, laptop, console via USB-C for 120Hz HD entertainment, and it also has this optic hair eye protection which has 38-40Hz dimming, low blue light, and flicker-free for reduced eye strain. And it does weigh 76 grams, which in general it's a decent for, you know, like wearing just something slightly heavier than your glasses. So use it with a phone, laptop, Switch, Rayneo Joy Dock, and others to actually be able to do that. So I just downloaded the app, which is the Rayneo app, and let's actually connect it. So I just connected it to my Samsung, and what it did, it immediately turned on the Samsung DeX. So imagine this, like this is one of the example of usage. You can connect it to the Samsung, which has the native environment, and like literally if I now connect a mouse and keyboard to it, I can work in a coffee shop or maybe even on a train without the need of a monitor. Obviously, some people might look a little bit weird on me, that I actually have a cable on me connected to my glasses, and I'm wearing a Batman, but like who cares? This allows me to literally just have a full kind of setup on it with the 200-inch screen. That's just so cool. So what do you think? Yay or nay? I very much like it. This is one of the things that, you know, I do enjoy it, and like I think it's just one of those things that, you know, in time you can have like a small, you know, screen, or just take your phone and work it with your phone on those glasses. I think that's very cool. Let me know what you think. And remember, if you like it, just like and follow for more.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly. Breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.